BSK-60 in 2026, North Korea's shadow giant of strategic power. In the silent corners of military secrecy, one colossus quietly prepares to shape the battlefield from the shadows. The BSK-60, North Korea's most formidable ballistic missile launcher. While global attention focuses on high-tech drones and stealth jets, the BSK-60 remains a chilling reminder of brute force and long-range destruction. With its 8-axle TL transporter erector launcher, platform and menacing presence, this system represents the heart of North Korea's strategic deterrence. By 2026, the BSK-60 has undergone significant upgrades, transforming it from a conventional missile hauler into a smarter, deadlier machine. Key improvements include next-gen missile targeting integration, allowing for quicker launch readiness and precision trajectory control. Advanced encrypted communication systems for secure coordination with command nodes. Improved off-road mobility system, enabling deployment through rough terrains under any condition. Automated hydraulic elevation system for faster and stealthier missile erection and launch. Passive radar and signal dampening coating, enhancing its survivability against modern ISR systems. Despite its size and weight, the BSK-60 is not built to be fast. It's built to wait, intimidate, and strike. With each unit potentially carrying intermediate range or even intercontinental missiles, its existence alone alters regional balance. In a world leaning towards smart tech and AI warfare, the BSK-60 is a reminder. Sometimes raw destructive capability speaks the loudest. As 2026 unfolds, the BSK-60 remains a silent sentinel of North Korea's defiant doctrine, not built to talk but built to warn.